YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Birdman17 coming at y'all with a video today, man. This video here today is kind of gonna be like a remake. As you can see, I'm recording it off the GoPro. I recorded the video the other day. It was probably like 20-30 minutes long, man, but I actually had the settings on like time lapse or something like that. And if y'all don't know what time lapse is, it's pretty much like I'm on this long drive right now. I can hit record 30 minutes later or end the video, whatever. It turned into like a one minute video, but it's like super fast forwarded. But that's my mistake. That's part of, you know, sometimes whenever you creating content, you run into things like that, little issues. It's really not a big deal. Redoing the video today, I don't have as much battery on my camera because, like I said, I did record a lot of that video the other day that drained a lot of the battery. I think I'm at like 20% and I did not get to charge it up. But man, I'm doing it for y'all today. But nah, so look, really, like, for those of y'all that don't know, I'm a baseball coach. I played college baseball for 5 years, spent 5 years playing college baseball. 2 years under my belt coaching high school baseball at 6A high schools. And for those of y'all that don't know what 6A high schools is, you should know, because y'all, more than likely, you went to high school, you about to be in high school, something like that. Your parents went to high school. 6A is a big classification, pretty much one of the largest in the states. I know states like Georgia, they got like 7A, possibly 8A, but in my state, we got 6A. That's the largest classification. I got 2 years of coaching high school baseball at the 6A level. 1 year coaching at the 1 year at the head coaching spot. So yeah, I mean, I've been in baseball. I played baseball for 18 years, been coaching it for over 20 years in the game. So, but yeah, I'm on my way out to baseball practice right now. If you've seen the other video I was talking about, I was gonna record another video pretty much telling y'all about my college baseball experience. That's probably gonna be like an hour-long video, or I think 1 hour. I think that would give me enough time to talk about all 5 years that I had playing college baseball. But my battery's low, so I don't know. I may have to record that one off the phone on the way home or something like that. But yeah, we just out here riding, bro. DODGER RT POV from the GoPro. Another thing, even though, like I said, I did record that video, the camera was messed up. I had the camera, it was aimed way too low. All you pretty much seen was like the wheel and everything below that. Y'all didn't get to see too much of the street view. Y'all should have a decent view of the street view right now. Police ahead. Where he at? Gotta make sure you ain't speeding. That's what I like about Google Maps. Stop sign. We're gonna see if we can find this cop that's up here. They say he's somewhere. He probably up there a little further down. So you probably don't even gotta worry about it. I'm not worried about it anyways because I'm not speeding. But yeah, man. I'm gonna tell the folks he's still there though. Is that him over there? Nah, that ain't him. I normally have a good eye for cops. I can normally spot them motherfuckers from like, shit, damn near a mile away. Or maybe not quite a mile, but like a few hundred yards, a few football fields, 4, 5, 6 football fields. Yeah, I can spot them. I spotted one the other day, boy. I swear to God, I was an eagle. Seen his ass way up the road. I was like, yeah, that's a cop. Got up on him, of course. It's a cop. But nah, man, yeah. This is a good picture right here. Y'all gonna enjoy this video here. But really, man, I've been daily driving the RT. You see I'm on a super long drive right now. Bro. And I got the secret sauce for y'all as far as the gas. You look at my gas mileage. I hope y'all can see that. I pray y'all can see that. But I'm at 324 miles of range. Averaging 21 miles per gallon. You know, on average, you do get, I think it's like 16.8 miles per gallon. But if you get your gas at the right place, which I'm about to tell y'all where that is right here in a sec, you get your gas at the right place, you drive right, you're gonna have a decent little mileage per gallon, or miles per gallon, whatever. But nah, so y'all wanna know where to get gas at? Y'all might be getting gassed already. You may not be. You may be going to Chevron. You may be going to goddamn Racetrack, Quick Trip, QT, whatever. But you wanna get your gas at the Shell gas station. Any gas station that got the Shell pumps, that's where you wanna go. Cause I'm gonna tell you this, the last 3 times that I done filled up my car at a Shell gas station, it done put me well over 300 miles of range. Normally whenever I fill up, I'll get like 290, 280, 270. You know, I might be at like 305 miles of range for like a second, but as soon as it recalibrates, boom, I'm back at like 280, 270, 290. Like, at one point I filled up, I had fucking 260 miles. I was like, damn, like, fuck going on? I should have just got a Hellcat. Like, but nah. Go to Shell, they're gonna get you right. I filled up. I've been driving for damn near an hour at this point. And I was at 340 miles of range. And like I just said, I've been driving for damn near an hour. I know I done for sure drove more than 17 miles. Probably closer to like 40, because I'm pretty sure it's like an 80-mile trip. I had like 100 miles whenever I decided to fill up. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up for a quick minute here. I'm gonna just let y'all get some of the sights and sounds, you know, of the POV. Enjoy the POV, man. If you watching my channel, bro, like the video. Come on now, what are we doing? Hopefully this video here not on the time lapse, but if it is, it's all good. I'm gonna probably get a new phone soon if I could make some more bread. But oh yeah, get a new phone. That way I could just rock with the 13 Pro Max. Do what I gotta do. Or I need to figure out what's going on with my 10X Max or 10S Max, whatever the hell. But no, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Y'all enjoy this POV. Cold start, you already know. You know, they say do something you love, you'll never work a day in your life. I love baseball. I love driving, especially V8s, muscle cars, Dodge Charger in particular. Shit, I ain't working right now. But I mean, I ain't made no money off the Dodge Charger yet, which is cool, but just keeping it a buck with y'all. I ain't made no bread off this channel yet. It's coming, best believe. And it's summertime, so yeah, I mean, I'm trying to drop videos. I'm trying to drop videos like a motherfucker. I don't even care. I'll bring the baseball over to this channel. I done did waves on this channel. I done did guns on this channel. I done did Dodge Charger content on this channel. Might as well do baseball on this channel, shit. Fuck it. Let me shut up though. Might have to see about getting a new camera too, to keep it a beam with y'all. Cause this GoPro, I'm not sure like which generation it is. But I don't think it's even like focused right now. I don't think y'all getting a clear, high definition picture of the road. Like, if y'all not getting that clear HD picture, bro, comment down below so I could get that shit fixed for y'all, man. But I mean, I'm gonna see it either way, but still comment down below. Mr. Sheriff, what you on, gang? Alright. Turn. Come on. Your ass out the way. Hopefully this motherfucker here keep going straight, because I do not want to be behind him. Bro, I almost caused homeboy that wreck back there. Like, what the fuck, bro? Motherfuckers cannot drive, bro. I swear. Charger gang. Like, niggas be goofy when they be doing that shit. Like, I'll be seeing motherfuckers be on bikes that hit that little wave or something, you know, that little acknowledgement, like Dodge Charger Mopars. Like, do we have something like that? What's the little, what do you do when you see another Mopar driver? I need to know, cause I be seeing my fellow Moparians out here. I don't be knowing what to do when I see my fellow Moparians. Be like that sometimes though. You gotta wait, my boy. Boy, in that big ass dually, that big body dually. Fuck you talking about? Got cattles and shit. Anytime you see somebody that got a dually, bro, just know they got some bread. Or, I mean, shit. You be in these little country ass towns out here and shit, you don't think motherfuckers got bread out here, bro? These motherfuckers be breaded up. Breaded the fuck up. But nah, hey. Y'all wanna know what I think would be like pretty dope? And honestly, I might have to I might have to challenge myself. But making 10 bands a month, bro. If you could find a way to make 10 bands a month, bro, you're gonna be straight. Especially if you got a girl, she could have a little, I mean, shit. Honestly, if you making 10 bands a month, your girl don't even gotta work. You can make that work. 120,000 after taxes, bro. That probably turned out to be like 90K, 80, 90K. Should be able to live off that. Pre-tax though, 10K, 10 bands a month, boy. That's 2,500 a week. You bringing in money like that, you doing good. But I think I could do it. I think it's definitely attainable. Really just gotta come up with I mean, it's not even too much like strategizing, but it's like it could be done. Damn close. If I could find another way to make like another band a month, I'll be there. And honestly, you know what? I might drive some damn Uber, because I know motherfuckers be shitting on Uber drivers and shit, bro, but just like motherfuckers be shitting on people that live out here. Like whoever owns these cows over here and shit, bro, they got bread. I'm telling you right now, they got bread. Need to give me a thumbnail while I'm playing. But it's like, bro, you could do it. Can be done. For sure can be done. I think Uber driving, if you want to make 1,000 a week, how many trips would that be? Probably close to 100. $110 trips, that'll get you $1,000. So a little bit over 10 trips a day. 10 trips, average trip probably like 20-30 minutes. Or fuck it, we'll say 30 minutes, 5 hours. 5 hours, 5 days a week. Hey, you might be able to do it. I mean, it's about like, damn, bro, you gotta live, you got, you know, mouths to feed, family to feed. Mama car needs some maintenance done to it. Like, real spill out here, boy. We ain't got no time to be lollygagging out here, bro.